Alright, changing out the dome lights. This back one, you just pull it down. It's got clips on there, comes right off. This is the 1.25 inch or 31 millimeter. When you get it out, you push backwards, and tip down, and it should just shoot right out at you. Over here, I've got the bag ready. New one ready to go in, same way it came out. You'll see that little hole there. Line this up, push it back, pop it in. Just like that. Push it in on this side, push it up on that side. And then brightness. Oh. For the center dome one, you're gonna use a little pick or like a little flat end screwdriver, super tiny. Be very careful not to break off any of the tabs. But you want to get that side down and then pull it off. And there's your bulb. Same thing. You're going to want to push it on one side. Boom. It's kind of a two-handed thing, but you got to put it into this guy. That little hole. Ugh. Like I said, two-handed. Alright, to get this one, I held this tab up, put it there, lifted it up, and stuck it on there. And super bright. See, I broke my little tab off. You can see the one tab on the left. It was me being a putz, and I was even using a pick. So that goes on there, and should just pop right back on. Boom. And that is how you change out your interior bulbs.